IKEA is more than a furniture retailer. It's a global brand built on efficiency, low cost, and strong supplier relationships. Its sourcing strategy spans developing countries, relying on close partnerships with suppliers. But with global reach comes global responsibility. IKEA has long committed to create a better everyday life for many people. Its growth has been guided not just by profits but by culture, ethics, and sustainability. Environmental policies, forest management, and conservation efforts are central to the brand's identity. In 1994, newly appointed product manager Marianne Barner faced a shock. A Swedish TV documentary revealed that some Indian carpet suppliers were using child labor, including those supplying IKEA. Barner immediately implemented a strict policy: contract cancellation for any supplier using child labor. Before the crisis even reached global attention, a German TV producer warned IKEA of an upcoming investigative program exposing child labor in a major supplier. The company faced urgent questions. How should Barner react? How could IKEA handle ongoing ethical risks in its supply chain? The case presents difficult trade-offs: maintaining supplier relationships versus enforcing ethical standards, protecting brand reputation versus minimizing operational disruption. Acting decisively versus managing public scrutiny. It's a lesson in crisis management, ethics, and responsible global sourcing. Our complete solution for IKEA's global sourcing challenge provides step-by-step crisis response recommendations, supplier ethics and compliance strategy, risk mitigation and reputation management frameworks, executive-level insights for sustainable global sourcing. Explore the full case solution at thecasesolutions.com, where strategy, ethics, and global operations connect seamlessly.